So, from the last video, we have covered up the backdrops and a lot of the talking and the moving and also here. So now we want to move the bear from the third one because if you have saw last time, it didn't move from the last few. So we want to get this much and put it in here, and we want it to put here, except we want to take out the switch backdrop because we don't need it. So we could use a repeat. Yeah, we could have used a repeat, but just for you guys to see how it works. Yeah. So now I've just changed it a bit and I've made it move. So we are going to go to full screen and try it out again. Yeah, so now they're both at the end of here, and we don't want them to be stuck there, so let's just move them a few steps. Oops. So we want them to be in different spaces, so let's do 300 and let's check it out. So now they're in the middle of that place. We don't want him to kick the polar bear, so we're going to move him 400 steps. And yeah, so now we want them to talk, and the bear is going to say, I told you you could walk. And the person's going to say, I haven't walked in maybe 200 years, I guess, just to make it fun. And let's put it here. I didn't walk in 200 years. So, and there is no self-correcting punctuation, so you need to put it by yourself. So now we are going to say, and the bear is going to say, come and see my friends. Wait 2 seconds. Come and see my friend. So it's going to say, come and see my friends. And we're going to change the backdrop again. So this time we want the house. We want a little house. Doesn't have to be a house. You can do whatever you want. But now I'm going to do a little house. Yeah, there we go. A gingerbread house. And then we're going to come here. Scripts. And then go to the sky, and then we're going to do switch backdrop to gingerbread, and the sky is going to do here, and we're going to have the bear here also, and then it's going to glide to 0, and then we're going to hide, and then we're going to say, wait 1 second before we say it, and say, hey, we have a guest, and we are going to make tons of them come out. So we're going to clone the bear, and we're going to make him spill out of the house, and they're all going to say hello, and we're going to say, hey, exclamation mark, we have a guest, and we're going to show, and then so 6, 7, 9, we're going to get this guy to wait 10 seconds, 10 seconds, and then we're going to wait 10 seconds, and then he's going to move negative 30 steps, and then we're going to show, and then move negative 30 steps, and then just make it a bit smaller. Actually, never mind, that's too blurry. So minus 30 steps, and then create a clone of myself. And now comes the clones. So we're going to repeat 100, create a clone of myself. And when I start as a clone, we're going to say move 10 steps, pick random 1 to 100 steps, and change Y by pick random minus 200 and 200. And change minus 200 and 200. And we're going to all say hello, and then we're going to get this guy, wait 10 seconds, wait 13 seconds, and then he's going to and we're going to go here, and here press on the character, the sky, and press that little blue eye. We're going to change the rotation style to this. And then we're going to do point in direction left, and then he's going to run away. And then we're going to stop off. So let's see what happens. So we're not going to make him move -1 steps, and we're not going to stop off. So basically that's it for animation, and next time we're going to make a bit harder animation. So yeah, thank you for watching.